In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a crit trading bot inside of Pionex. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Pionex like you usually would. Then from here you need to go over to the spot trading over here and click trading bots. Then from here you should be looking something like this, where you can see a trading view of Bitcoin/USDT. And you can select whether or not it should be this one, or you can choose ETH, Sol, Doge, or any of these other cryptocurrencies if you want to do that. But to create a crit trading bot, you first need to go over to the right hand side, and here you will see trading bot and spot trading. Trading bot is pretty self-explanatory. This is a bot that will run 24/7 and trade for you, while spot trading is manually trading. Then from here you will need to find the crit trading bot, and most of the time it will be the most popular right here on the top, crit trading bot, and here you can click create. Then you need to choose a trading pair, and you can either choose BTC/USDT or any other of these cryptocurrencies that Pionex has to offer. Then from here you'll see copy trade or customize. And the difference is that copy strategy is where other people have created a bot, a crit trading bot, where you can just copy their entire strategy to your own bot, while customize is where you can make your own parameters and really do everything from the bottom. So let's start out talking about the copy strategy. As you can see here, this first one has been running for 607 days, and it has copiers of over 4,000, and the profit for these 600 days is 160%. And if I click start copying, you'll see this option right here. And as you can see, Pionex will warn me that you need at least 3.96 USDT to start this bot. And you can click in here how much USDT that you want to add. And up here you can see the current GERTs, and you can see down here your available balance. When you're happy with your balance, you need to click create BTC USDT bot, and then it will begin trading for you. Up here you'll see the customize, and here you can click your own parameters like I told you before. And as you can see here, you need again to choose a trading pair, and you can add a lower limit, an upper limit for the parameters. You can add how many grids it should trade. If I click, let's say 5, here you can see it will trade between 2 to 1,000 grids. Down here you can also add a total investment like so, and if you go down to advanced, you can add a trigger price, which is optional, and you can go down here to add a slippage control. You can see the take profit, you can add a stop loss, a grid mode where you can either choose geometric or arithmetic, and you can add investment where you can use USDT only, or you can add both right here. Then you can click create BTC USDT grid bot, and then it will begin trading. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!